Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you different mismatches we can have on our network when we are configuring it. So before I get into the video and showing you all the differences and explaining everything, I want to give two big shout outs. One's to my friend's channel Slade, so he makes different videos about fast fashion shooters such as Call of Duty and Fortnite and other different types of games. I'll put a link to his channel in the description below. I greatly appreciate if you go and check out his videos, subscribe to his channel, share the videos with his family and friends, and with your family and friends, etc. Also, the second shout I want to give is to my friend's Roblox group called Clash of Clothes. I'll put the link to that group as well in the description. So that group is just my friends who is selling different types of clothes on Roblox for a cheap amount. So you can go ahead and check that one out as well. He's going to be giving you a really good clothes signs and for a really good price as well. So now I think I should explain the differences between the videos right now. So unlike my other videos which I've been making about gaming, I decided to make this one more about the networking side of things. So the reason is because I was planning to make another Roblox video, but unfortunately it took too long to edit. So I'm going to be making this video now and then releasing the other one next week. And I'm also apologizing for the long break I had. There have been some issues with the programs I've been using again. So I'm just going to be making a networking video about mismatches. And if you want more videos like this or tutorials on Python automation or Python in general, Linux, Roblox Studio, I was planning to make a series on Team Fortress 2 as well. You can just write down in the description, just tell me suggestions, I will listen to them all and hopefully reply. So for this video, I'm going to be using Cisco Packet Tracer instead of GNS3. I found that Cisco Packet Tracer is easy when you're a beginner, like especially when I was starting out networking. It was a lot easier to use Cisco Packet Tracer than GNS3. So there's less options here, but the simplicity is what matters here. So I'll quickly just log in and then we'll start off with the Duplex Mismatch. So first off we have the Duplex Mismatch. This one I think is probably the easiest out of all of them to understand. So for starting off, I'm going to be placing two PCs and then I'll be placing a switch in the middle. So I'll be using the auto connection since I'm not bothered to manually configure them all. And yeah. So first, this one's I'll first make the IP addresses. This one's gonna be 5.5.5.1. Of course, the subnet mask is gonna be 255.000. It's obvious. And this is gonna be the same subnet 5.5.5.2. I'm not gonna do anything to the MAC addresses yet. I'll do that later. So next, I'm going to be putting these two in the same VLAN. That's to make it easier for the next part of the video. So I'll quickly just enable and go into global configuration and create VLAN 10. I'll just exit it since I don't want to make any changes to it. Then I'll go into interface fast Ethernet 0/1. I'm just going to be using shortcuts for now. And then I'll be doing a noise shutdown. Make sure you do this. It's really basic, but it's very straight. It's actually surprising how many people don't do it. No shutdown is really important this command here because otherwise your switches and your port's just going to shut down. It's not going to function anymore and you're going to have a lot of problems. Next I'm going to be giving switch port access to VLAN 10 to this port. Next I'll go into interface, oops if I can type it, fast Ethernet 0/2. Next I'll also be doing a node shutdown here. Quite difficult to type, and we're doing a switch port access to VLAN 10 as well. Then the same VLAN, this is basic stuff. Now I will do oh yeah, I have to just go quickly speed things up so the connection works. So now I'll quickly explain to you what duplex is. So in the world of networking, we have duplex. So there's two types of duplex, half duplex and full duplex. So duplex is basically simply the way your connection travels. I think that's the simplest way. So Half duplex is when two or more devices can only communicate in turn. So you can't just you can't have many layers of traffic on top of each other. You have to have, so the request, let's just do a TCP handshake for beginners. So you got that request, you got the acknowledgement, you're going to have etc. So it's gonna take turns, it can't happen simultaneously. So PC1 as PC0 right here can't be having like let's just say several different types of data being sent by PC1. It's gonna have one packet, like sorry, one data set that's going to be coming back, and then it's going to be sending it again. So it's quite a slow and tedious process. But then we have full duplex where you have full control. So you can have several different types of data. So there can be acknowledgement going here for TCP, and might be a request going here for some other protocol. I don't know. So like DNS, because this PC might have a direct connection to the DNS server or whatever. Anyhow, this is the basic thing about duplex. Now, one thing I want you to keep in mind is that when we are configuring duplex, you can only communicate with the same duplex. You can't have one device half duplex, one device full duplex communicating. It just does not work. They're going to be like, one's going to be handling the pressure, the other one's just not able to handle all the traffic. So first I'll show you how we can cause a duplex mismatch in our network. So if I go into interface fast Ethernet 0/1, this one right here to this PC0. If I go into that one, this port, and now I will just type in duplex. Duplex, and then we're going to I'm using Windows, so mine was going to be clicking the pause button and then clicking the question mark. So this will bring us up to the duplex configuration. I'm going to change this thing. This thing's at default is half, so I'm going to change it to full. Now immediately you'll see that the protocol has been changed from state to down. So right here, as you can see, the connections are gone. So if I try pinging, let's try pinging PC1. So let's just do 5. Actually, let's just do 3 packets since it's gonna take too long to do 5 packets. So ping 5.5.5.2/n3. That's the command to have a certain amount of packets. And as we can see, there's going to be request times out. Yeah, the duplex. So as I said, the duplex on PC0 is full, but the duplex on PC1's half. So it's not going to work. They're different. They have to be equivalent. So as you can see, there's 100% packet loss. And if I change this one to, if I change PC1 as well, if I exit this and go to interface fast Ethernet 0/2, yeah, that's the right one. So if I go into 0/2, I'll go in and type down, wrong command, duplex. I'm going to be changing that to full as well. As you can see, it's changed. You'll see that no matter how much I go forward in time, it's still not going to connect. Now if I try pinging this thing again with 3 packets, sorry about that. As you can see, it's still not going. There's gonna be request timed out. That's because in packet tracer, we can't communicate unless it's half duplex. It's just one of the features I think is engraved into the system. GNS3, I think you can. Yeah, they probably will let you. But that's one of the disadvantages about this. So we'll exit this and then we'll go into these two. I'll go back and change them back to the default setting of, being duplex half. And I'll do the same to interface fast Ethernet 0/2. I'll change the duplex to half again. As you can see, they both went back to normal. And if I ping this, hopefully, in fact, I'll even add more packets. Let's send 5. As you can see, TTL is still receiving, everything's fine. 0% packet loss. That's really good. So now that we understood duplex mismatches, we can go on to a bit more advanced, nothing complicated. These are really basic mismatches going to be going over here. This is going. So we've done duplex. Now we're going to be going on to VLAN mismatches. Hi guys. So basically, this is me from the future. I just decided to turn all these videos into a playlist to make it easier, so you don't have to watch a 1-hour video for all of these. So for next week, or next few days, I'm going to be releasing the VLAN mismatch video, and then I'm going to the native VLAN, then into the MAC address MAC address duplication, etc. So that's it for this video. Can you please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and share the video with family and friends. And that's it from me today. Bye.